James P. Womack, Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporation. Embark on a transformative journey to banish waste and create wealth in your corporation through the pivotal book, Lean Thinking, by James P. Womack. This book's summary simplifies complex concepts and guides you towards a leaner, more efficient approach to your organization and its processes. Learn about the importance of value, the value stream, flow, customer pull, and the continuous pursuit of perfection. By understanding and implementing these lean thinking principles, you can maximize productivity, reduce errors, and enhance product quality to ultimately create satisfied customers and a thriving business.
Lean Thinking Revolution. A.C. Bradley defined tragedy with one word: waste. The same concept applies in business, where muda, waste in Japanese, refers to activities that don't add value. Lean thinking transforms this muda into value for the customer by focusing on the whole value stream, eliminating redundancy, and reducing waiting time. This summary presents the 5 principles of lean thinking, which help organizations do more with less and improve productivity. By applying lean thinking, company leaders can cut production time, reduce errors, and move ideas from brainstorm to product faster. Creating customer value. To successfully create customer value, businesses must understand what is valuable to their customers, including their time, money, and product or service quality. Value is a concrete reality for the customer, not something abstract. Instead of focusing on shareholder interests, companies should focus on creating value for their customers. Businesses need to forget about their current products and technology and work together with customers to define what creates value for them. Once businesses redefine value, they are ready to dive into the value stream and consistently create value for customers. Discovering your value stream. Imagine yourself as a geographer on a mission to find the source of water in an unexplored rainforest. That is the task at hand when discovering your company's value stream, a journey from concept to launch of a product or service. The first step is defining value in terms of specific products and customers. Next, carefully observe every point in the value stream to identify and eliminate unnecessary activities. The goal of this journey is the creation of a lean enterprise where all firms in the value stream communicate transparently and with a common purpose. To achieve this, competition with perfection is key, and the mindset should shift from competing with other companies to identifying and eliminating all activities that waste time and resources. The result is a streamlined and efficient value stream that enhances your company's operations, transforming into a lean enterprise. Unleashing the power of flow. In his book, Lean Thinking, James P. Womack argues that the key to improving an organization's value stream is to embrace flow, a concept that contradicts traditional batch and queue methods. The flow approach involves continuous production, where employees work on one product at a time from start to finish. Although this method can be difficult, it ultimately honors the product and motivates employees. To achieve flow, an organization must step off its pedestal and prioritize its product or service, giving it cushioned attention at every step of the process. Lean techniques, including immediate feedback, are critical to this approach. By making this shift, an organization can increase efficiency, reduce human effort, and ultimately deliver a high-quality product to its customers. The benefits of customer pull. Embracing flow techniques can lead to the adoption of customer pull, where products are made based on customer demand. This approach eliminates the need for sales forecasts and allows for tailoring of the production process. Customers enjoy the convenience of being able to get what they want, reducing their inclination to switch brands. By making the customer a fundamental part of the process, the organization can produce products more quickly than ever before. With employees capably adapting to flow techniques, customer pull can bring substantial benefits to the organization. Mastering lean thinking. Lean thinking helps organizations to be self-improving by focusing on their product speed, diverse customer service, and lean principles. Building a strong value stream by improving customer service leads to perpetual self-improvement and a commitment to a better system. Getting started with lean thinking. Embrace a new approach to work with lean thinking principles and begin with a well-executed plan. Avoid losing control and follow these steps to succeed. Ready for a change in how your organization operates? Consider applying lean thinking principles. To get started, approach with enthusiasm, but don't get carried away. To avoid pitfalls, create a detailed strategy and remain focused. The crucial first steps to success with lean thinking include defining value through your customers' eyes, mapping the value stream, and improving flow by reducing waste. Don't let a lack of direction or discipline derail your efforts, let the principles guide you towards better results. Building a lean enterprise. The key to success in transforming an organization is through proper preparation and a strong change agent. This individual must understand the principles of lean thinking, which can be taught with the help of consultants. Choosing a crisis point to launch the operation can demonstrate the value of lean thinking and the success of its methods. Finding the value stream and taking immediate action is more important than devising a strategy. Active demands for results and expanding the reach of lean thinking to every aspect of the value stream can help build a lean enterprise. Transforming organizations with lean thinking. Reshaping an organization requires organizing by product families, focusing on value flow, cutting unnecessary jobs, and being tenacious with continuous improvement. Lean thinking helps generate better jobs and a leaner organization. In Lean Thinking, the author emphasizes the importance of organizing firms based on product families, ensuring that value flows directly to customers, and eliminating wasted moments. Although the process may expose unnecessary jobs, it ultimately leads to better jobs through lean thinking. Once an organization reaches an appropriate level, it's crucial to continue improving. This involves being tenacious with continuous improvement and making the organization even leaner. Lean thinking can transform an organization by generating better jobs and a more efficient system. The power of lean thinking. To achieve an effective organization, it is crucial to instill a culture of lean thinking among all employees. This involves making tools lean and seeking external assistance, if necessary. Leanness should permeate everything, and transparency is critical. All individuals and firms connected to your product must be vigilant about keeping things lean. An organization is as lean as its least lean employee or firm. Going beyond lean, engaging suppliers and customers. After making your organization lean, engaging suppliers and customers is crucial. Having an internal lean promotion team can help convince them of the process's benefits. Leanness can help suppliers cut costs without reducing prices, and customers can participate in the manufacturing process.
As you reach the end of this informative book summary of lean thinking, reflect on the core principles that can propel your organization towards a more effective, value-driven approach. Redefining value, establishing a smooth value stream, focusing on flow, and adopting customer pull can contribute to a more nimble and efficient organization. By making these principles part of your everyday operations, you can foster an environment that seeks constant improvement and competes against its own potential for greatness. Use the guidelines and steps provided in the summary to turn your organization into a lean enterprise, one that constantly pushes itself towards perfection, expands into new markets, and better serves its customers.